Hello everyone, this is Terra, and these boxes contained our new sweaters. We ordered them a few weeks ago and they have just arrived. I'll first get off this big one that hasn't been opened yet, and we'll open the one that has been opened over here. This is what they look like inside the box. You can see over there our design for our front. This is what it looks like laid out. And I believe this is a size medium. Yeah. I'll spin this around and we'll have a closer look at the design. You can see a small chicken with the word Terra on top, and this is the back design. It's quite big, and you can see the details here, join and then Terra down below. It's quite nice and quite cute. This is what the inside looks like. This has a nice soft fuzzy interior. It's really soft, and the first time I felt it, I was quite surprised too. And this is what the cuffs look like. It also has that soft material and then the cuff ring on the outside. This is what they look like side by side. That's the front and this is the back. And I'd like to take this time to especially thank the people who actually designed these, Sam and Christy. Thank you very much. These are on our Instagram in our bio at terra.ybhs.